Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabbihi ajmain. Allahumma sholli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Praise to Allah who has given us blessing and mercy, and then salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness world. The Honorable, the Committee of International Conference, the Honorable, all participants in this international conference. Let me introduce ourselves. We are from IAIN Metro. My name is Syahreni Siregar as the first presenter. And then the next presenter, Mrs. Eka Yuniasih, MPD, as a second presenter. We are from IAIN Metro, would like to present our article. The title is Development of Science Literacy-Based English Teaching Materials for Biology Students. Well, first, I would like to elaborate the introduction of this article. Industrial Revolution 4.0 era has brought us extraordinarily acceleration in various ways, especially in the linguistic fields. Acceleration in the industrial sector will certainly require skills in various foreign language. To deal with that, we are not only satisfied with being able to speak English general, the student must be able to master using English in accordance with our field, the expertise called English for specific purpose. English for specific purpose materials developed based on need analysis. This needs to be done so that the learning process both in the classroom and independently runs effectively and efficiently. English learning for biology students is presented in teaching material that is integrated with biology, such as reading that contain about biology and knowledge of biology. This will distinguish between English in biology department and English in other major. Well, the development of English teaching material for biology is important to do in order that the student can understand, use English in accordance with their major. Moreover, many biology references books use English. Of course, students must enrich their vocabulary in order to understand what they will read later. Responding to the need for teaching materials for English courses that are integrated with biology, the researcher tries to present a research that will create a teaching materials that can be used as a guide in teaching English in biology department of IAIN Metro, which has biological special characteristic. The purpose of this research is to develop an English materials for the biology department based on science literacy that can be used as a guide for teaching English in biology department of IAIN Metro, and to find out whether the development of English materials based science literacy for biology students suitable for use, especially at IAIN Metro. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this article, the research design is using research and development. The steps taken in this research include 6 steps, namely research and information collecting, planning the preliminary form of product preliminary field testing, main product revision, main field testing, and the last one is an operational product revision. The research subjects in the study were two experts, namely expert judgment, and users, namely product user. The type of the data in this study are the result of observation, the result of the questionnaire, and the result of interview. Meanwhile, the data to be collected in this research are in the form of quantitative and qualitative data. The data was collected in the study are the data from need analysis, data from the expert validation, data from product trials, and users in the form of suggestion, comments, criticism, and input for product improvement. The data obtained from the validation and trial result used to improve the product in the form of text. And then for the data analysis technique using a qualitative data analysis technique and quantitative, the data analyzed using descriptive and inferential technique, yeah, by using percentage formulation as a follow, already available in our article. And then the next one is result and discussion. The researcher conducted an analysis of needs of lecturers who support English course on English teaching materials, especially in the biology department, aim to obtain the characteristic of English materials that are suitable and can synergize with biology material. English material has strong enough potential to be integrated with biology material. In a sense, many biological theory books are in English. To understand the contents of the book, expertise in reading text is needed, as well as the grammar and master of vocabulary. For this reason, it is necessary to combine biological material and English material. This combination will produce a material that is able to strengthen students' understanding of English language biological sources. Okay, and then for the result. For the result of the result of students' analysis, yeah, the presentation of the material has not yet the biological English material. This makes students bored because it gives the impression that English material is monotone, the same as that in high school, and there are no special characteristic of English in each department. So that's why we conduct this research to make teaching materials suitable for their department. Okay, for the next, we continue to the design of English teaching material. For this topic, it will be delivered by our friend, Mrs. Eka Yuniasih, MPD. Mrs. Eka, please, time is yours.
Okay, well, thank you very much for Ma'am Syahreni Siregar MHUM, and I will continue our presentation with the topic about design of English teaching material. We can see on slide, this is the sample of cover of basic English for biology students. In choosing the color of this book, green is used as the basic color. This is in accordance with the color of the biology department at IAIN Metro. In addition, based on color physiology, green is a color related with nature, which has a calm, positive nature and can reduce stress. This is in line with learning English, where science literacy is fun and easy. Red is the color that inspires power, energy, warmth, love, lust, and aggression. The red color usually trigger a person's emotional level as well as the color that most often attract attention. The red color is the word basic English is expected to motivate students to always be enthusiastic and interested in learning English. The sentence basic English for biology students is a modification of English material-based science literacy that show the characteristics of English for biology department. Background in the form of nature, animals, plants is a natural wealth that must be preserved in various ways, including studying it by reading a lot of various sources, including English. Yeah. And next is about assessment and improvement of content and presentation expert. This is the example of chapter 1, Introduction to the Chemistry of Life. Start from learning objective and then about Islamic content, and next is about reading text related with biology material. And next about assessment and improvement of linguistics. Suggestions from the linguists are in the sub-chapter. It is better to use simple language, ask questions in the reading text section as students' critical thinking skills. In the textbook, must use effective sentences in each explanation. Assessment and improvement of graphic media design expert. Suggestion: shape and size of the book based on the standard of a particular publisher or institution that has an interest in scientific work. The quality of ink and paper must be suitable with printing standard. Use formal, attractive, and easy to read in selecting letter. Use an appropriate sentence, pictures, and colors on cover, and can be description of the book contents. Improvement and assessment of user. Based on assessment by students, there are several points of concern, or the correlation between chapters are not visible yet. Collaboration between biological material with English is not evenly distributed in each chapter. And the last is about conclusion. The development of English teaching material can be integrated with biology. It supports lecture at the biology department to differentiate English for biology department and English for other department. The English materials contain with verbs, simple sentence, cause and effect, conditional sentences, question text, and comparison degree. So the textbook suitable for use with revision. That's all our presentation, and Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.